Happy Republic Day 2025.
Why do we celebrate 26 January? Long ago, India was ruled by the British, who threatened Indians unfairly, making people dream of freedom from this rule. After years of struggle, India gained independence on 15 August 1947, but it still needed its own rules to govern the country. A constitution or a book of rules was required to ensure fairness, equality, and democracy for everyone living in independent India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and his team worked tirelessly to craft this important document, ensuring justice. The Indian Constitution was completed on 26 November 1949, was officially adopted on 26 January 1950. This day, 26 January, was chosen to the honor 1930 Declaration of Purna Swaraj, complete independence, by Indian leaders. On 26 January 1950, India became a republic, meaning the people now had the power to choose their leaders democratically. Every year we celebrate this day as Republic Day to remember this milestone in India's history and cherish our democratic values. Schools, colleges, and government offices organize flag hosting ceremonies and programs to honor the Constitution and the nation's unity. In Delhi, a grand parade is held at Rajpath, showcasing India's military strength, culture, diversity, and technological achievements. The President of India hosts the national flags and gives a speech highlighting the country's progress and challenges. Please, students, participate in parade, showing discipline and love for the country, while spectators cheers enthusiastically. Different states present colorful taglias during the parade, highlighting the unique cultures, traditions, and achievements. For children, Republic Day is special as they sing patriotic songs, give speeches, and perform dances celebrating India's rich heritage. The day reminds us to respect our constitution, which guarantees equal rights and responsibilities to all citizens. We remember the sacrifices of freedom fighters who work hard to make India an independent and democratic nation. Republic Day teach us the importance of unity, justice, and working together for the growth and prosperity of our country. The celebrations inspire young minds to take pride in their nation and contribute to building a better future. Republic Day is not just a holiday, but a day of reflections, gratitude, and commitment to our duties as citizens. Every 26th January, we celebrate the strength and spirit of India, a proud, diverse, and democratic nation.
Please subscribe and like.